Hi everyone, my name is Tanzil and you are watching my YouTube channel MT Web Experts. In this brand new playlist, I will talk about GHL, also known as Go High Level, and how it can help you grow your business online. Today's topic is very important. We are going to compare GHL and WordPress, two powerful platforms. Let's see which one is better and which one is right for you. Let's begin. So here you can see what is WordPress. We are discuss about WordPress. WordPress is one of the most popular platforms to build websites. It is open source and free to use. You can create blogs, business sites, online stores and many more. It offers a huge library of plugins and themes, but you need to manage hosting updates and security by yourself. The benefits of WordPress are you will get design control, you can add any feature using plugins or HTML or CSS. It also works well for SEO if you use right tool. What is GHL? GHL is an all-in-one marketing platform made especially for agencies and freelancers. It includes tools to build landing pages, clients and emails, automate tasks and many more. It includes tools to build landing pages, manage clients and emails, automate tasks and many more. You don't need to install anything. Everything is already inside the system. It is perfect for digital marketers and business owners. What are the benefits of GHL? GHL has a lot of useful features like it saves your time, no need for different tools. Hosting is included. You can manage leads and clients easily. This is the main point and beneficial point in GHL. It is designed for automation and fast results. Website building comparison. Both GHL and WordPress let you build websites. With your WordPress websites, you have more freedom, but setup takes longer. GHL gives you templates and tools to build pages fast. So WordPress is for custom design. GHL is great for quick launch and conversations. CRM system were in GHL versus WordPress. GHL has a built-in CRM that means you can track leads and notes and manage your sales pipelines. In WordPress, you will need to install an extra plugins like HubSpot, Sumo to do this, etc. And it will slow down your website and many more issues. So if CRM is important for you, GHL is the better choice. Email marketing tools in WordPress and GHL. In WordPress, you need to use a plugin like MailChimp for email marketing, but in GHL, there is already included. You can send email campaigns, set autoresponders, and use ready-made templates. Their automations and workflows are GHL is a very strong in automation. You can create workflows, triggers, and automatic replies for leads in clients. In WordPress, you will need tools like Zapier, which can be expensive and technical to use. So for automation, GHL will be wins. Hosting and speeds. WordPress websites need separate hosting like Bluehost, SiteGround, Hostinger, Cloudways, etc. Speed depends on your hosting and setup, but GHL includes hosting and is optimized for fast loading. You don't need to worry about technical things. Security and maintenance between WordPress and GHL is that in WordPress you have to manage updates, backups, and security plugins by yourself. If you don't, your website can be hacked. But in GHL, all updates and security are handled by the company, so beginners feel safe with GHL. Which is the best for you if you are a developer or blogger who needs custom design? Then WordPress is best for you. But if you are a digital marketer, agency owner, or business person who wants to save time, then GHL is perfect. It all depends on your needs and experience level. As in my opinion and my final thoughts, in the end, both GHL and WordPress are great tools. WordPress gives you freedom, GHL give you speed and simplicity. In my next video, I will explain how to use GHL features step by step in simple language. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MT Web Experts. See you in the next video. Thank you.